Hey everyone, welcome to Geeksvana's 2-minute drone news. We've got a couple of big stories to bring you today, so let's get the countdown started. It would appear we have another exciting DJI launch on the horizon. Competition from other strong starter drones in the market has caused DJI to react and produce a Spark 2. Now this is still a leak and not a confirmed release. Drone DJ have reported that the release could happen as soon as July, with some important updates for the 2017 release drone. The new specs include 4K video at 30 frames a second, increased video bitrate, an improved 3-axis gimbal, Active Track 2.0, but no OcuSync 2.0. With the release today of what is thought to be an action camera from the Chinese manufacturer, we're sure that DJI fans will be pleased to see a drone release soon. You can find a link to the full story in the description. We will of course keep you fully informed of any further news and leaks involving the Spark 2. Drones are in the mainstream news again, this time at the hands of the Houthi rebels of Yemen, who have admitted to carrying out attacks on a Saudi oil pipeline. The pipeline is owned by the Saudi state-owned oil company and has actually stopped pumping oil through the major pipeline in response to the attacks. It's thought the drones were built inside Yemen with help from supporters in Iran. Al Jazeera quotes a retired Jordanian Air Force general who claims the rebels have developed the drones from commercially available aircraft, which are then weaponized. It appears the Houthi rebels are using the drone technology more and more, which combined with satellite access has so far met with a failure to combat them. Fears are growing that the situation could escalate with attacks on public infrastructure within the kingdom. Thanks for watching your 2-minute drone news. See you in the next video.